Hey guys, how's everyone doing? I just wanted to jump on and make a quick video about 5 stocks that I bought during the trading day today. So we're going to go through the 5 stocks, and then at the end of the video, I just want to share what the absolute amount of monthly income I added to my portfolio with these small buys, as well as annual dividend income that I've added to my portfolio just from these little buys today. So I'm just going to jump right into it. Number 5, I added 5 shares of the Keg Income Fund. This is a stock I've owned for a number of years, but really haven't been adding to it probably for a while now, probably over a year. So I saw at the time of me buying, it was down about 1% on the day. I said I'll just average in a bit and bought 5 shares of the Keg here. The income fund's currently yielding about 7%, so still picking up pretty nice cash flow from this holding. Going into number 4, I also bought 5 shares of the Harvest Equal Weight Global Utilities Income ETF. So wanted to get a bit of international exposure today, not just buying Canadian equities and Canadian securities. So average into the Harvest Utility Global Fund. I believe this one's yielding at about 8%, a bit more than the Keg, $90 instead of 80, but still pretty small buys overall. After this one, I went into my ZWC, which is BMO Canadian High Dividend Covered Call ETF. Bought about 10 shares of these, so $180. And this one is yielding kind of between the first two, I believe at around 7.5% today. So see the kind of common theme here. I was out hunting for some yield today. That's not always the case, but today I was looking to enhance my monthly income with my daily buys. Going into number 2, themes very consistent here. Bought 25 shares of Harvest Diversified Monthly Income ETF. So this is actually an ETF of different covered call ETFs, and they apply about 25% leverage to enhance the yield. I think the dividend on this one's trading higher than the other ones we talked. I'm just doing some math in my head here, but I think it's about 7 cents a share a month, which means this ETF's trading at about a 10% yield today. And then lastly, I bought 10 shares of A&W Royalty Income Fund, so about $360. This is one that I'm trying to add a bit more to this year. Very defensive company, paying strong dividend and a strong kind of growth history on this name. So I wouldn't mind it being a bit bigger in my portfolio. If you're interested in my overall portfolio, by the way, I've also posted some videos going through that, so you can check that out on my channel. But yeah, today you can see mostly royalty funds as well as covered call ETFs. So wasn't really seeking out too much growth today. Was more looking for income today and now. So let's just look at a quick summary of what I've added here today. So overall, between these ETFs and these royalty funds, just on those small buys, I've added about $5 in monthly income to my portfolio, and just under $60 a year. So these were some pretty small buys across the portfolio. Sometimes I do go in and do significantly larger buys, but this was just kind of part of me dollar cost averaging every day into the market. And you can see even a day that you don't really do too many big buys, if you're looking for income now and you invest in kind of more high yielding covered calls, royalty funds, things like that, you can make a decent dent, $60 more in yearly income. If I do that every day of the week, that's $300 of annual income that you're adding to your portfolio just by kind of doing these nibbles throughout the week. So some people have different approaches to investing. I typically like, now that we have mostly free brokerages and there's no penalties or real trade-off in doing daily trading, not trading, but investing at small quantities, I kind of like to stay engaged, average in every day or every other day. And then obviously there's times where cash accumulates and you go in and make a bigger purchase, or if you have high conviction on a current valuation or a new stock. But typically, this is how I end up putting lots of my money in, just like this, and building my monthly cash flow $5 at a time, $10 at a time, day after day or day after every other day. So let me know what you guys think of these buys. Let me know anything else you guys think I should have on my radar, or if you have a different approach to how you average into the market, I just wanted to make a quick video today sharing what I was up to in the markets today. So thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, if you like this type of content, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.